Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market. See what's going on. Got a good green day. Don't mean nothing. I think interest rate cut supposed to be. Think that meeting September 14th. So there's still the most volatile month of the year. Worst trade month of the year. So let's get to it. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch recent videos. Share my channel also. All right. Let's start off with. I'm gonna go with. We can knock out the Dow since that's right here. And I knew this one is down 23.56. I'm at 31.02. Add on some more of that. Dollar cost average on in. Why this one on my mind? KHC. Kraft Foods. 26.80. Dividend yield 5.94%. 52-week low 25.44 with a high 36.53. Go in and grab some of this while it's cheap. Lower my average cost anyway. There's going to be one play I will exit out of. I just don't like the food stock. They call this a buy and hold forever stock though. Like it's a promising dividend if you like that yield. OPI office read. It's going to be a swing trade. 20 cents today for the low. I'm going to do a buy limit order. Pick up me 25 shares at that price. Pay 1 cent a share every quarter. All right, we got that. Boom, boom. All right, let's start with MSTY options on MicroStrategy. This one been getting beat down. The dollar cost averaging into it, not loading up on nothing. Brought $8 worth already today. Go get another 8. Only buying in this portfolio. Buy full shares in the other. I'm gonna buy 5 shares a week at the weekly low. That's what I'm gonna do with that one. Just in case it falls some more, I can get a better discount and just buy fractional shares in this one, piecing it together. USOY brought 5 shares at 825. That triggered. So put your buy orders in. I will go in at 824. I had mine set at 825. I did pick up 5 shares of this. So I'm online. I get another $2 worth, little fractional share or something. What I noticed with some of these yield maxes, man, these weekly ones you probably be better because everybody they're gonna rush to them because they pay out weekly. But $5 worth for that one. But the other monthly ones like TSL wise and stuff, what I learned to do, we got OXLC 9 cents a share a month going at 366. I'm gonna wait for this probably come down around that 350ish mark. I'm gonna put some money in some other places so I can grab a bulk load of shares. See how that's gonna go after the ex-dividend date. UPS. I hit buy. I'm sorry, I done brought this in another portfolio. Definitely go get some of that if y'all wanna start an entry level, lower your average cost. Debbie and Wendy's also brought some of this at $9.95. That was my buy limit order. Another one for you to get. Charge Point. I brought 20 shares at $9.50 and 20 at $10. This got down to $9.44 today. It hit hard. Today's low. That's why you need to set your buy limit orders. Just set them on down. Got to have cash to do it though, unless you got margin to back you up. It's got up to 10.664. I'm gonna sell these about 11.32. I put another buy limit order in at $9.50 and $10 again. Just in case, and I put one at $9.44, just in case while he's sleeping and go hits it, it automatically fills it for you. PetSmart Express, advise y'all to stay out of this one. I'm trading my way up out of this one. Buy limit order, going at $2.98. I'm at $3.67 now. I'm gonna sell these at $4.10 and exit everything and be done with it. Like I said, the card be not what it was way back in the day. They used to pay a good dividend. But things has changed. You got Amazon in town now. You got Walmart.com always been here. Their online site. And you got all these other stuff. I be forgot the names. I'm not a pet owner. I got kids, so that's enough for me. What it's called, Chewy. Then you got PetSmart, like in person. You can go up. I don't know how the prices, how they vary or different. Might get a better deal online still. Like I said, everybody gonna do that Amazon, man. You probably get a cheaper price and you get it faster. On YBacks, I picked up some shares, 5 shares today at $12.47. I picked up some. So while I'm here, I'm gonna get a little $3 worth to add on to it. Got a 52-week low. Y'all might say, why you, it's not at a 52-week low. Remember, the 52-week low was in April. That's when Trump started that terror stuff. You probably gonna never see it in that number again because they done price that in. Unless he seriously do something real stupid, I don't think you're gonna see that again. AIYY. One thing I want to do is show y'all. I brought 540 shares yesterday. Rode it all the way down to $2.33. Average cost $3.19. I got a sale order right now at $2.70 for 540 shares. Just want to get my money back, rinse and repeat. This is volatile, but it's a dividend play for income. I tried to put a buy order. That's why I don't like Robinhood. When you really want to trade, you're going to have to get a Weeble Moo. Even if I go in right now and try to buy something, I want to get 150 shares at $2.30, and it won't even let me buy them. Talking about the day trading. So I got to cancel all of my orders to avoid it. It's stupid. Like, I'm trying to buy money with you, spend money with y'all, and you're not going to take it. So that's that. I do after 12 o'clock. I should be able to do it. To wait a couple days. Ybit. They just mad because you got a sale order. They don't want you to sell anything. That's the problem. Which is stupid. I mean, I'm in the market. Some people invest, but some people trade. All right, Ybit at 953. It's doing options on Bitcoin. Lowering my average cost here. I picked up some shares here. I like this at the $10 and under mark. Buying dollars. I might pick up another 5 shares. Now, let me see if it's going to come down some more. You never know. FLO Flowers Food. They go get some more of that today. $14.65. Taking advantage of this dip. They changed the price target to $16. That's another food play. That's why I'm saying I'm getting out of them. That crabs, all that stuff. I just don't like the way the food industry is going, and I'm going to get out of the liquor. I read an article last week. They say this generation up and coming, they drinking less and they smoking more. So, and then a lot of people like health conscious. People stop drinking, like the older heads. A lot of people going over to the marijuana way. A lot of people just quitting. But a lot of people is switching to the marijuana. So, I'm getting out the marijuana stocks too. I mean, there's too much competition out there for that. So we got USOI, about a 22% dividend yield, pay out monthly. Lower my average cost over here also. Get $10 of that. Make 65.14, 50 shares. Need to get my 100 shares. I'm going to go with land, Gladstone Land. Take advantage of this below $9 mark. Take a HRZN. Horizon, I'm waiting for this here to squeeze. Once them interest rates happen, that's when it's gonna happen. Does pay 11 cents a share a month. Try to squeeze up out of it. Hope I get a squeeze. And they don't do no dividend cuts. 5 shares, 6.88. And that's everything on my list. Hold on, we got to get Tesla and Coney. I forgot to put that on there. TSLYCONY. Cause Tesla and buy range. TSLY is in the 740 mark. Or 759. $5, $3 worth. Might go give me. I got some. Put an order in for 43 in my other portfolio. Got Coney below the $7 range. Buy some full shares of my other portfolio. It's just my dollar cost average. I need to buy a bunch of shares of this and sell it to lower my average cost in this one also. That's what I'm gonna do. Buy it under the $6 and sell it over the $7 range, about $7.35. Make a couple dollars and lower my average cost. With the yield maxes, you want to get it low near the 52-week low, so you really never have to buy anything again, because it'll never come down to your only time you want to buy when it come to your average cost or lower. So that's what I'm doing with them. And I'll show you while I'm doing it if you want to follow. Remember, you're the CEO of your portfolio. All right, let's go check out traps. See if anything else going on. Y'all know I give it to you as I am moving. So if the ones that do like it, follow and pay attention. OXSQ, gonna put that down on how I lost that one. 219, 5 shares a day, 3.5 cents a share a month. That's gonna be a nice swing trade too. Hopefully I go back above the $3 range. I'm gonna sit there and hold it, collect that juicy dividend. And when they get 325, I'm gonna take profits. Not gonna sell my whole position. I'm just take my profits out. Or my initial investment. I also need to come down. Need to do another trade with Metafast. I brought some and sold it. I think last week or week before last, I'm at 27.80. So I need to do that one more good time. I just buy them fractional shares, $5 here, $3 here, just getting it in. It go down below the $13. I'm gonna buy some full shares, and when it go back up, I'm gonna sell them to lower my average cost. Rhythm Property 258. Going to get some of this while it's cheap. Another nice dividend play here. See 9.27% yield. Market cap 117. RPT. That's a nice cheap swing trade too. Get that dividend and trade it. Like I said, I'm gonna operate leaner. If I was with my REITs and BDCs, I'm gonna get rid of some of them. And let's check out AFCG just to see what it's doing. 468 now. I'm at 389. Reason being because I brought like 300 and probably 400 something shares. I brought them and sold them. I actually had an average cost around eight bucks. I bought it when it got down to 385, and I sold some last week at 415. So I won't buy this again unless it go below that. I'll just keep it just for the dividend. Got USOI, EPLY. Apple is a less volatile less volatile yield max ETF. Know my average cost there. Not worrying about EMDY. My AIYY bit down. I think I need to grab some more of this, man. At least give me $20 worth today at that price. Add on to it. I like it below the $10 mark. Suns, GOOY. I need to go below the 13 for me to grab that. PYPY, put that on my list. Definitely got to attack this at these prices. Below that $11 mark. Got USOY, not worrying about clip. Got charge point. And I want to go to SVOL. Set a buy limit at 1668. $0.30 a share month there. And that's everything on the list. I set my alarm, need to go buy that AIYY. I want to get them 150 shares. Once I sell those 540 at that price, that 270, I just want to get my money back. It might run up more. I don't know. I'm just gonna sell those and keep the rest for the dividend. I have like 75 shares left, something like that. Yeah, it'll be about 75 shares. I just keep. If it come back to 230, I buy more at that price and let it run up and sell it, rinse and repeat. That's my plan with this one. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Done for the day. Signing off. Go get your money. Stay safe.